Hey guys, I'm the math professor Kyle Martin. In this video, we're going to take two ordered pairs, 2 points, and we're going to find the equation that goes through those and then change that equation to be in standard form. All right, so the 2 points we're working with today are -5, 4, and 1, 0. So the first we need to do is find the slope using our slope formula. Remember, that's going to be, if this is x1, y1, x2, y2, that is going to be y2 minus y1, so in this case 0 minus 4, over x2 minus x1, or 1 minus a -5. You could also say 1 plus 5, all right? And the slope that this gives us for this problem is -4, and then 1 plus 5 is 6, which simplifies to be -2/3. Okay, so we have to take this slope now and use maybe one of these points. I think this point is going to be a little bit easier to use, and we have to write this now into slope, or into point slope form, right? We have a point, we have a slope, point slope form. If you remember, that's y minus y1. Okay, these y1s and y2s, you can rename those to call this my x1, y1. So that's the only formula I'm working with. So y minus y1 is y minus 0 equals the slope -2/3 times x minus x1, in this case x minus 1. All right. If you didn't remember that point slope formula, I'll put a video right here linking a video that talks more about point slope. Okay. But once it's in point slope, we have to rearrange this now so it's in standard form. Here's my standard form checklist. Right. We can't have fractions. X and y have to be on the same side, and our x term needs to be positive. Okay. So let's do that. Well, y minus 0, that's just y. And then over here, I can distribute this 2/3 in to become -2/3 x, and negative is a positive 2/3. Okay? So we still have fractions, so let's get rid of those by multiplying everything times our denominator, which is 3 in this case. All right, I can multiply the entire equation times 3, which means I'm going to get 3y. 3 times -2/3 x. The reason we chose 3 is so that these 3's will cancel, right? We're multiplying and dividing by 3, so they cancel. Leave me with equals -2x. They're also going to cancel over here, so plus 2. All right, we're getting closer, and I can check this off. Now I need to get my x and the y on the same side, so I'm going to move this x over by adding it. I'll put that over here. And when I add it over, that's going to give me positive 2x plus 3y. It's positive 3y, so plus 3y, and then equals 2. Equals 2. All right, the x and y are on the same side. Then the last step is just to double check, is this currently positive? In this case, yes, it already is. So we don't have to do that step, it's already done for us. If this were negative, you could multiply the entire equation by -1, and that would switch all your signs and make that x positive. All right, so given these 2 points, we wrote it out, we found the slope, we put it in point slope form using a point and a slope, and then we transitioned it to have no fractions, the x and y on the same side, and made sure our x term was positive, getting this to be standard form.